Alright, so what is up? Back again. So today we're going to be working with list again, and we're going to be trying to iterate through a list. So what iterate means is we want to go through the list and try to get every single element that is within the list. Now what you could do is you could do the simple method of doing printing out using the index method, which you just type in the value of that particular element and then printing it out. But the reason you don't want to do that is because there are times when you don't necessarily know how many elements are within your list, and guessing can just lead to a bunch of different errors and stuff as well. So the way that you can iterate through your list is by using a for loop. This also using for loops, you can keep looping and looping until you finally reach the end of your list. So what I want to do here is you got a list here named cars, so I want to do for in car, or for car in cars. So I got a variable named car, and it's going to check the elements that is in the cars. And what it's going to do is when it cycles around the first time, it's going to get the first element that is in the cars. And the reason I'm naming it car because I only want one element from the cars. So the first time around, it's going to print out Tesla. Then the second time around, it's going to print out BMW. And then the third time is going to be Toyota, and then so on and so forth. So Subaru, Audi, Lexus. So what I should see when I go to run this is Tesla, BMW, Toyota, Subaru, Audi, and Lexus. I should see those in a straight line down when it's printed out. And as you can see here, there it is. So what it's actually doing in this for loop is it is retrieving the value that is currently at. So the first time around, it's going to get Tesla because that is the first element that is in cars. And then after it goes through, it's going to move to the next thing, which is BMW. And car is going to hold the value of BMW from the list. And then it's just going to move down to Toyota. And then once it gets all of the values, that's going to be the end of the for loop. It's going to be done looping through the list. So that is how you iterate through a list in Python.